Welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the most exciting stories from the world of cars, past, present, and future. Today, we're diving deep into a true classic, a piece of automotive history that continues to inspire collectors and enthusiasts around the world, the 1950 Dodge Ram vintage pickup truck. This isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of American strength, craftsmanship, and rugged utility from a golden era in automotive design. Let's take a closer look at this iconic piece of machinery. The 1950 Dodge Ram pickup was part of Dodge's B series, introduced in 1948 and continued through 1953. Dodge engineers had one clear goal in mind: build a dependable, hard-working truck that could survive the toughest tasks while offering a level of style and comfort that was revolutionary for its time. In an era where trucks were still primarily tools for farmers and tradesmen, Dodge added a layer of sophistication that set it apart from its competitors. The front design is instantly recognizable. The bold, rounded hood, split windshield, and prominent chrome grille give the 1950 Dodge Ram its unforgettable face. That front-end styling wasn't just about looks, it was functional. The hood opened wide, giving full access to the engine bay, making maintenance easier than ever. And the split windshield. Not only did it look cool, but it also gave the driver improved forward visibility, especially when navigating rough terrain or tight work areas. The version we're showcasing today has been beautifully restored in a pristine white finish that enhances its classic lines and smooth curves. The chrome accents shine like jewelry, while the bold, Dodge, lettering on the hood gives off a sense of power and pride. Those signature round headlights, flanked by small circular indicators, bring a charming old-school vibe that's impossible to replicate in modern vehicles. Now, let's talk performance. Under that sculpted hood sat a reliable inline-six engine. The most common engine option for the 1950 Dodge Ram was the 218 cubic inch L-head six-cylinder, producing around 95 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much compared to today's standards, but back in 1950, it was more than enough for hauling heavy loads, towing equipment, and powering through tough jobs. It was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that was simple, robust, and built to last. Driving a 1950 Dodge Ram is an experience in itself. There's no power steering, no traction control, no modern comforts to separate you from the road. You feel every bump, every turn, and every rumble of the engine. And that's part of the charm. It connects you to the machine in a way that few modern vehicles can. It demands your attention and rewards your skill. Shifting gears manually, adjusting for road conditions, and truly driving, this is motoring in its purest form. Step inside the cabin, and you'll see how Dodge mixed utility with style. The interior is simple, but not boring. A metal dashboard, often color-matched to the body, houses basic gauges and switches. A large, thin steering wheel gives the driver plenty of leverage. There's just one bench seat, upholstered in vinyl or cloth, depending on the model. No fancy infotainment systems, no digital displays, just you, the engine, and the